Hey everyone, it's Mayuresh again. Today we are going to learn how to use backgrounds in Chronicle to give your pages just that extra little bit of visual punch. Let's get started. Sometimes when we put content on the page, it still feels like we are missing something and it needs a little bit more visual. Take this page for example. I have all of my content up here, but I just need a bit of visual imagery or a background. That's where backgrounds come into play. Just click background here and you can choose from among the hundreds of gradients and images that we've carefully curated for you. Just click on any of these images to see how it looks on your Chronicle. I quite like how this green gradient looks. You can also choose some of this imagery. It'll always work quite nicely, and we've tried to take care that it maintains contrast. You can also blur this background further to increase some of the contrast that is required. Our cards will further blur the background here and give it that Apple liquid glass kind of an effect. So play with different backgrounds and see what works well for you. There's one more thing that can add more structure to this page. So in the backgrounds menu, you will see overlays. Overlays work really well with the imagery. So you can add these grids to give your page a little bit more structure. Let's say I want to use this grid. It will add these beautiful lines on top and structure your content better. You can obviously structure your content differently here and choose a different grid, whatever works best for you. One of the best things around how this is set up in Chronicle is that this will work in light and dark themes by default. So you can go to any of the gradients, choose these, and if you change your theme, it will just work by default. So that's backgrounds and overlays, and that's how they work with themes to give your pages that nice, beautiful visual punch. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next one.